Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 151 Reed Avenue, Unit 2, Coventry, Rhode Island. Second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Started our video with a tour. Our main entrance on the back porch. Overlooking the backyard. You got countertop and cabinet space, double sink, electric stove, refrigerator, plenty of room for a small table. Living area here. Smaller than 2 bedrooms. Larger than 2 bedrooms here. You fit a king set. You got a walk-in closet here. Smaller bedroom does not have a closet, but you can still fit a queen-size bed in there. Separate entrance behind that door that goes out to the front. Then you get a shower, and a vanity, no tub. I'd like to apply for 151 Reed Avenue, Unit 2, Coventry, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. Thank you and have a great day.